Hey guys, welcome back to Tales and Trails, and how you all doing? And right behind me is Zen. That's my Himalayan, and it's not working today because it needs a battery replacement, and I have the battery with me right now. I'm gonna do it myself because it's not a huge task. Well, the stock battery has worked for almost 2 years. I got the bike in April 2019, and this is February 2021, almost good 2 years, and I'm extremely satisfied with how it performed. I don't know what's the issue with the battery now, but it's not working. I mean, the starter coil is not getting the right amount of power that it needs from the battery. Everything else works good. I mean, the horn works good, headlamps work good, everything else works good, but it doesn't provide as much as power it needs to start, because starting the bike needs almost 75 to 80% of the battery. So yeah, I think this is the issue with the BS4 Himalayan, because it doesn't have a headlamp turn off switch. I hope Royal Enfield has done that. Maybe, I'm not sure about it, but yeah, ho sakta hai. So right now I'm just gonna unbox this battery and swap it onto the bike. And I got this battery from BP Industries in Hyderabad. The owner of the company is a very good friend of mine, Gaurav Shukla. I know you're watching the video, so thank you for providing me the battery as soon as possible, because Z9 batteries are not available in Hyderabad these days. So anyone who wants Z9 batteries for their motorcycles, or any battery for motorcycles, cars, six-wheeler, whatever, you can just go to Gaurav. He's gonna set you up with the battery. So let's just go and unbox this and put it on the bike. So here's the bike, and I'm gonna show you all how does it behave right now. So I'm turning on the key. So this is the battery indicator. It shows battery is there and the bike's drawing it. This is the high beam. It's working because you can see there, that's the light. This is low beam and that's high beam, and the battery works better because the horn's working good. But now I switched on the kill switch and I'm gonna try and crank it up, but it doesn't crank up. See, it doesn't crank up. And you guys can see the gear position is also 0, but it doesn't crank up. So that's the issue with my bike right now. To replace the battery, we need to take these bolts off, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I mean, ye nikale to we can almost take the battery off. I'm gonna show you all the procedure to take the battery off from the Himalayan right now. So here is my toolkit. You just need this toolkit. You don't need any big ass tools to replace the battery. The toolkit that comes with your bike is more than enough. So all we need right now is this Allen key and a screwdriver. That's it. Let's just take it off, guys. So what just happened right now is this. So I was removing the side panel, the thing just got into this, which I'm trying to remove. Or ye aane raha hai. Damn. I don't have some WD-40, man, or else I would have done that. So I'm just gonna pull it back into this. So you can see the panels off, and this is the battery. So what we're gonna do right now is disconnect a few wires here, and we need to take this thing off. Once this bolts off, this metal piece is gonna come off and the battery is gonna come off too. So after taking the side panel off, you can see here is the screw for removing the battery, and this side is the other one. So we're gonna take this two off and we're good to go. So this is the battery that Royal Enfield has given us, and that's how the bike looks without the battery. Now we're gonna unbox the Amco battery that we have got and replace it. Well, now this battery has warranty of almost 2 years is what Royal Enfield told me, but I'm just not gonna use the warranty because I don't want to at this point. So I'm just gonna replace the battery. So सबसे पहले let's unbox this battery. Okay, unboxing का मजा ही कुछ और है. So let's just sit and unbox this Amco battery. So that's it. There's no unboxing. एक ही box है. इस box को ऐसे निकालना है and let us see how the battery comes out. So this is the battery, guys. It's heavy. Now I don't know why does it feel heavy, but it's heavy. So this is the battery. These are the screws we got and the warranty card. So guys, this is the new Amco battery that we have got. Now let's just put this into the bike and crank it up. So I just put the battery into the bike, and this is my old battery. I'm gonna use this somewhere else, probably for any of my projects. Now I'm just gonna screw the battery up and crank up the motorcycle. If it cranks, well and good. I'm just gonna put all the panels back in the place and then ride. If it doesn't crank up, let's see what is up with that. So the battery right now is in place. It was quite difficult to put this inside totally because these screws you see here, you know, are kind of difficult to put because this has a different mechanism. One side I have the old screw and the other side I have the new one, like you can see. The battery is fit, fingers crossed. I hope the bike starts now. I didn't do any mistakes is what I feel, but yeah. Jai Mata Di. Whoa, crazy. Battery is on. Let me turn on the fuel injection system right now. Fuel injection systems go. Let's crank up the motorcycle right now. Whoa, one click and it starts. So after 1.5 hours of work, the bike is finally started. I'm quite happy for this. I don't know why, because it took a lot for me. I mean, not a lot, but thoda sa for me to put this on place. I don't know if you guys can hear me right now because the bike's on right there. Let us just rev it up a little after 2 minutes, because let it warm up for some time and let's crank it up. Now I have to fix this plate and the panel back and just ride. My seats are out there. Next update is the tires, guys. The tires are gone. They're worn out. They're worn out badly. The front is still there though, but the rear is worn out. ऐसे ही आप लोगों को मिलेगा हिमालयन का एग्जॉस्ट नोट. Go guys, the bike's finally started up. It's heated up. Let me just put everything back in place. I mean the panels and the clamp that I've removed, and put the seats back and ride.